should be banned because self study is good, and playing is also important. And because of homeworks, many students do not get a chance to play at least 1 hour a day. If you want to stay fit, then you should at least play 1 hour a day, which will make you stay healthy. And if I talk about banning the homework, then there is no problem because the student will definitely do self study after banning the homework. So this is my point.
So he has just pointed his point. Now from no side, anyone can speak. Yes, Sumit, speak.
Do you know how much hour in a one day?
Right.
School provide only 6 hours to the study.
No.
And after that,
Only 6 hours.
yeah. Then after that, you told that about self study, but lots of people who don't know what the importance of self study, so they does not do these types of work. Then what happened?
So just in case, if the government bans the homework, then they should tell all the schools to arrange a parent teacher meeting, and in which the teachers or the principal will tell to the parents that now the homework is banned. So it does not mean that your ward is not studying it at their home. So the teachers will tell their to tell their childs to do self study, and in a very strict manner. So they do not change their track that now homework is banned, so I don't have to study. They have to do self study, and it should be told by the teachers to the parents.
Nothing will happen in the self study, because right now I do not have self study a lots of time, because those people who are not focused on a study, they don't know why. They think that why am I do self study. Self study and another thing. Okay, first of all, if we get a homework now, that is our responsibility. We need to do homework. If we are not doing homework, then we should get a punishment in the next day. That is a very important point. That's why our student is reading anything.
Okay, I want to ask you one thing. When you were a child,
Yeah.
when you were studying in class fifth or sixth,
Okay.
did you like to do your homework?
Yeah. No, I do not like. Realize you, I do not like. But if I am not doing homework, then I don't know what the value of study and how to solve the question.
Everyone support each other.
You know that you are going to the class, you are attending the class, and according to my point of view, what you are studying in the class, after coming to home and doing the other things which are in your routine and other things, and when it is your homework time or study time, you should repeat or revise what is done in the class. So it is also kind of homework, or the another thing which is going to happen in the next day. You can also revise the same thing for betterment of the next day.
Do you think that revision is important or not? Important, na? If our teacher teaches us some topic, that is the simplification, then they do not get the homework, then we forget it.
Why?
Abhishek, yes.
You just tell that, but I want to tell you that you said that there are lots of the students in a school providing 6 hours for their students, and I think that each period is with 1 hour. Okay, but it is too much sufficient for a student to over command upon that topic. Why it is
Right now,
Let's complete him.
Firstly, we have to complete. So it is totally sufficient to, within 1 hour we have to command upon any topic. So you said that I really support that homework should be banned, because just because of homework, students are just irregular in their classes. But if the responsibility goes to the teacher, that what the topic that they have just deal in this class, and practice more and more question within the class, then definitely why it is necessary to put the homeworks, given the homework.
Right now you are compressing your mind to the small.
No. I say okay. When the children are in primary schools or primary class, at that time they like to do homework.
That if I not like do something, that is wrong. If I am not do if I do not like something, that is wrong.
No.
Then
But when we are, but the topic is that homework should be important or not. So I want to tell you that all the students, I think that all the students never want to be complete your homework because it just become a stress for the students.
this is not a state. This is a responsibility.
Which types of responsibilities?
I need to do homework. Whenever I not do homework, then I will get a punishment in the next year. That is the pressure of the student. That's why a student do our homework.
And that's why students just irregular in their class.
So it's a student. It's the fault of a student. No?
It is also the fault of a student. If the student will clear their concept within the class, then why it is necessary
So
to
why are you comparing your mind to the child mind? You are capable. Child is not capable.
So I want to tell you that. So that's just because of that the teachers in the primary school just
Okay, homework
do
should be
their
banned. Homework should be banned. What is happening in the summer vacation? If the 1 month summer vacation in the 30 days, then there is no homework.
if we are reading if we are just reading 12 months to complete a one class whether it is one class, then within 1 month what will happen? What will happen?
What the meaning of pugnacious?
Support Sumit, everyone.
What the meaning?
Everyone
of pugnacious?
support each other.
What the meaning of pugnacious?
I don't know what is.
Before few months ago, a sir put it in his status. Then you don't know
Yeah, I really don't know. But
why.
So what? This is not.
This is the matter. Na?
No.
Your recognition level is too much high. Then you why do you don't know what the meaning of the pugnacious?
But you
I have
know
lots of-
what
Yes,
is
yes,
the
yeah.
meaning of cop?
And what is the meaning
But
of
you-
I
review?
also
I
know.
know.
Oh, yeah, she knows.
I also know.
She knows.
Rob your cop.
Cop.
Foolish.
See, I don't know.
Just see. Look.
So it is not a part of
It is a
homework.
part of
It is
homework.
No, it is not a part of
If you
homework.
if you revise day by day, then you don't need to forget. Okay.
Oh,
That is the benefit of homework.
revision and self-study and homework both.
How much? How
Okay,
much
Shivam, you want to
And
explain?
homework is a type of revision to all of each and everything. If you are just giving homework, then revision of all the different types of things. Like
Yes, Saika.
If you are doing your homework with very honestly, it is increase your mind. It is increase your neurons in your mind, and it is also help to giving the answer of the question in the examination. You don't have to prepare. You don't have to too much read and before examination, before the 1 day of examination, because you are properly prepared for the examination by doing the homework. So it is
But
very
what about the feeling of a child? Just see, stand up, Chotu. Listen. Just a minute. How is he exploited by his homework? He will tell you each and everything. Just speak each and everything.
I get a slap today because
Today he got a slap. Yes.
because I not complete my homework. Learn the word meanings. That is it.
but it is your fault.
Is it good?
If you, yeah,
So
if,
will you-
you know, if you don't know how what is the meaning of the words, then you can't speak now. Then it is necessary not to learn all the word meanings. It is necessary not to learn all the word meanings and all the things which is help to improve.
Another
your study.
little boy want to speak. Yes. Sit down.
I would like to give an example of my 3 friends which are currently studying in my class.
Okay.
They all 3 are my means you can say best friend, and I know that they never do their homework, but the one thing they do is 2 things, which is self study and revision, and it is the history that they have never got marks percent below the 95.
Okay.
So, yes.
I have one question to you. I have one question to you. What's your future plan? Will you do your homework or not? Because today you were slapped. What's your future plan?
What is your future plan, my dear?
Will you do homework or not?
He will not do homework. So, what would you like to say?
So it's sir, his fault. Because the next time your ma'am will slap you, then
No,
Again, he will not do.
in the school, the homework is not checked.
Ah.
okay. I have a one example. So first of all, listen carefully. Okay. Suppose this is the one chapter, and in the chapter there are 50 questions. Sir understand the five questions. Then sir has a time to understand each and every question. Sir has time to each and every question understand each and every question. No, no. Then
Why? In next day we will just.
then you know how much syllabus we are. If sir understand each and every question, then we have no time to understand.
If we over command upon chapter, then there is no necessary to deal each and every question.
And
okay?
you are saying you can say that we should not do our homework. We should not solve our exercise, right?
How we can command on our chapter if we don't.
I want to
do
tell you
homework.
that he just said that the teacher have not too much time to deal each and every question. We all know, but if we have over command upon chapter, if the teacher will taught you chapter in the class, and just because of lack of time he just deal 2 or 3 questions, then we have to deal other questions with our mind also, na?
But you are capable, na?
If a teacher will understand you 1 plus 1 equal to 2, okay, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, okay, then then the responsibility of teacher will complete it. And let's suppose teacher will give you a homework that you have to do some more questions, okay, and you have to just done all the questions, okay, and after if we have just make interest on that chapter, then only teacher will not involve on that chapter, na? Then the responsibility comes on our side, na?
Tell me from bottom of your heart. Okay. How much a student do the self study?
Give answer everyone. How much a student do for self study?
Those who want to just clear the exam.
Those who want to clear the
I
exam.
don't want to ask. How much students do their homework?
That's a very good question.
Hmm.
But if I are not doing homework, that is our responsibility, and next day the teacher will slap me. But if I are not the self study, then no one can pull up. No one can
Become like Arham. Everybody's slap is good. Yes. Yes.
My point is that in school you have suppose in school you have seven periods, suppose only, okay, and there are seven homeworks,
Okay.
and you have responsibility to complete your seven homework. Like 6 o'clock, 4 to 5 o'clock you are going to play, okay, and 5 to how much hours you complete your homework?
What are you doing 6 to 9?
Okay, listen.
6 to 9 can I take? Gardening. First thing is that
What the need of
Listen to him. He is doing gardening. After that,
the 7 periods, the 7 homeworks are here. You completed 6 to 9. You tell na. How much time? There are 4 hours to complete your homework, and to the student they have stressed. Their parents say to the student to complete. Whenever you complete your homework, then after you go to sleep.
yes. What do you want to say?
I am telling to you that in a day there is 24 hours, as we all know that, right? And in a day, if you cannot sleep 12 hours, that means your body is not working well. I am not talking about here. I am talking
Listen.
about the child. I am talking about the
Child,
child. Okay. A child can take a 12 hour of rest. And the Arham, as you see in the Nishkash, as you see, they have to take a 12 hour of rest. I am not talking about you.
I'm not a child.
No, you are not
I
a child.
take a 12 hours sleep. Then it totally depends on me.
Then when it comes to child, I have a
Yes.
I have a point. He said that self-study. How many children know self-study? When I am in class 7 to 8, I have no idea about what is self-study. I only know that sir has given me the topic to clear, and when I come home, then I cover all the points.
Yes. Niskars.
What was the year when you were studying in class 7, 8 or 7 or 8?
How many years?
No, what was the year? Now today.
What's your age?
Yeah,
Submit
it is,
it.
I am 21 years old.
In which year you studied?
In what year
In which year?
Ah.
It's about 2015-16.
But if it is about 8 or 9 years past 2015 or 16. Now almost most of the students know the meaning of self study.
Yes, but right now, na.
No.
At that time, when I was studying in class 6-7, I have no idea about what is self study.
because
But now
Listen, Soumya, yes.
because you were busy in your homework, that's why you didn't know about the self study.
Right time
Even your
also,
parents
not-
also didn't tell
Right
you
time
about
also.
that.
Let her speak.
Even your parents didn't tell you about that what the self study is. Only your parents
How
told
much
you
time?
that 1 minute. Only told you that there is only homework, you have to do it, and you have to just show to your principal or any
Then what do you
teacher.
understand by the word self study?
Self study.
Just describe
Yes.
me.
Let me tell you, whatever you are just whatever you were taught in your class, that you have to just repeat it, revise it. I just believe in that only in the math subject teacher should have given the homework.
Today you will go to your school. You have to go to your school.
No, because today school was closed.
Any day. Your teacher carried their class with
Radha Tera. हाँ.
Then the
She hasn't gone to go school.
Teachers teach you something. Then after sir give you homework related to today's class. Yes.
No, only the math.
And that thing you
that
get.
I just get homework.
Yes, in my school too. On other subject we only get
Even in the science I get homework, but I don't do because I know that whatever I have been taught that I know very well. That's why I just never do my science homework.
You think that only with the class you will able to. I mean to say that if you study something in your class today without the revision, do you think that after 1 month? After 1 month you will able to pass your examinations? Without practice, without revision, do you think that today you have learned
Practice
something?
needed only in the maths.
Practice makes a man perfect.
In what subject do you think like that there is a practice? Only
All
maths or in
each and every
all
subject. Each and
subjects?
every
No.
Physics has also numerical,
But
chemistry
I
has
don't
also
read physics,
numerical.
biology, chemistry.
Huh?
But I don't read these types of subjects.
You don't think, no?
Compulsory to
It's,
read one
it,
paper.
1 minute. It means that you all need homework.
Yeah.
Yeah. You all need homework.
Self study is also homework.
Yeah, it's also beneficial.
No.
Okay, you
No.
taught any
If
topic.
listen.
Okay,
Listen, Raman.
you learn any your sir touch any topic any chapter, but you not study and not the proper time you that topic and not analysis to homework in class. Then how can you understand which is
It comes in self-study,
Yes,
not in homework.
I also
But
got
some
it.
But-
students don't want to self-study, but they are reading this chapter because
Okay,
just
you-
because
you-
of homework pressure. They think that if I not complete my homework, then our teacher will be punished. That's why they are studying. But some students are not interested in study, but they are doing study just because of homework.
But what about that students? Those who know after knowing this types of things, they don't do their
all
homework.
parents copy check the which school and which
How
college.
many
no?
parents check their copy?
My parents check copy also.
Your parents, his
Yes,
parents,
all-
but not
all
all
parents
parents.
and
Nowadays, all the
No.
parents are busy in their work.
any parents they copy check
I
and not
know.
homework in copy, they just live in the class and live in the
I also don't check homework.
Yes. Because I am mature and then they talk about in the childhood time in the 6th and 7th class, they all parents and
Then
brothers.
if you are mature, then you know
don't
about
want
what is
to take a
self-study.
homework.
If you are mature,
But
then
self study I also doing the
He
homework.
is a mature
Also,
man.
yes,
He is not a mature.
And
A small children
Yes.
who is studying pre nursery, LKG, UKG, they don't understand the word of self study.
They also don't have to do self study.
हाँ.
Even they don't get
And
homework
the
also.
child,
Then
any child,
listen to me.
any child not proper they are doing homework, they not they just like a
Okay,
doctor.
okay.
Just like I recommend after the class 12
Listen
and
to
then
me
12,
I-
there is lots of problem there.
I want to cut your point. You are talking about a nursery or play child. Okay. Why should a teacher give him a homework? Because he's not understanding in a class. So how he can understand it in their home?
Who said that?
Tell me then. No, you have your party has just told me. Your party has just supported
BJP
you.
party has supported you.
What the benefit of home tutor?
So a little child who has reading in play
Means
or in a nursery,
Ah.
he is able to use mobile phone. He is able to use visualization.
What the meaning of home tutor? That
Means
is
we do your
teacher.
homework by the help of your home tutor.
But
Yes.
What's the matter of homework? If you
Yes.
if you are using someone to which is helping you,
Okay.
at alone, what do? You just take the help from Google.
And you don't know how to solve the question, then you need to someone. If you don't.
One incident happened that one boy was not interested, and he just complained to the father, I don't want to read with him because he is not doing my homework. He is not completing my school homework. So his father forced him that why don't you complete the homework first? After that you do whatever you do. In that case, what will happen? So every parents say that to home tutor, please complete the homework of school first, and after that you do another. And after that they are just giving pressure that your student has not gotten good marks. So at that point of time, where do the parents go? They don't have time. Give answer. What happened? Speak.
So we proved that homework